Video here for you. Here's my second trade of the day. Once again, it was another Fibonacci retracement trade. We had news here. U.S. unemployment news shot the market higher. There actually was a fib trade here, but it was happening so fast I couldn't take it. Because if you actually look at this, you'll see it the initial pop, it did retrace 50% thereabouts there. There's the 50% mark, and it came right down to there two times. I had my finger on the trigger right here, but I wasn't ready to pull the trigger for some reason. Anyway, I also thought that I might get a stronger move if I waited a little longer. So I basically did wait for it to double top up here, and then I put in my fib retrace box based on this higher high, and I put my fib retracement box in right here, and then I watch price start trending down. Sometimes it will bounce off the 61.8. I decided to wait and see if I could get more of a discount and get it off the 50% level. And as a matter of fact, I didn't even want to, I wanted to pay less than 50%. So what I did is I put my limit order in right here at 18,176.75 with a 6-point stop, meaning that I'd be stopped out if it went, halfway between this yellow and this red line. So I figured that this yellow line would be a good protective area, this 0.382. So I had to stop down here. So, in trying to figure this stuff out, I'm always trying to figure out how can I get the best discount possible. So anyway, I did put the limit order in. I don't typically like limit orders. I mean, they work, but they're definitely, I don't know, they're kind of high risk. But I felt pretty good about this one. So because this was so strong initially, I thought it would get a good bounce off at 50%. It did here too, by the way. But again, I thought let it get up to what I thought of as a natural resistance point, which was this 18,200 level. Which, if you look back here, I had put in a gray, kind of a shaded long rectangle at it because we had resistance over here prior. That was the last resistance point. So I figured let it get up to the top resistance and then pull back. So it did pull back. I put my limit order in. It tagged my limit order pretty much to the penny. And then it kind of chopped around. It kind of gave me some heartburn right here. Chopped around for a minute or two. And then it took off. And I had a 6-point target in there. So 82.75 was the target. Tagged that with no problem at all. And basically what that did is it put me over the top for my performance account. I just made $53,000 off this evaluation account, 924 today. So now that's all I needed to convert this one into another performance account. So that's the story on that.